Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. Ille simul monibus tendit develere nodos, perfusus sanie vitas atroque venano, clamore simul orendos ad sidera tollit. At the same time, that man strove to tear apart the knots with his hands. Having been drenched with respect to his headbands with blood and black poison. At the same time, he raises horrible shouts to the stars. Now you might notice horrendos is not exactly your average construction, so if you were to translate this literally, it would be like, at the same time he raises shouts to be horrified at towards the stars. So, do we think that this is a gerund or a gerundive? Horrendos. If you said gerundive, you would be correct, because a gerundive is a verbal adjective, so you'll notice horrendos is modifying clamores, shouts to be horrified at, and you'll also notice the ending is os. That is not a possible ending for a gerund, but it is for a gerundive. Now ille, who does ille refer to? Laocoon. So at the same time he strives to tear apart the knots with his hands. Ablative of means or ablative of instrument. Nodos, notice those are like knots, coils, just things he's trying to tear them apart with his hands. Here we have another awkward middle voice participle. I promise you don't see too many of these, but we're seeing a lot of them all together in this snake passage, huh? So you can translate it as being active to make things easier, having soaked his headbands with blood and black poison. Vitae are sacred headbands that the ancients would wear, and Laocoon was a priest, so this headband was particularly important, and the fact that it's getting soaked with blood and black poison or black venom, you know, the poison from the snakes, is a really bad omen and really just really bad. So we'll have to see what happens next, but things do not look good for Laocoon.